there, fellow adventurers! Today, I'm going to share some real talk about travel mistakes I've made, so you don't have to. Trust me, I've learned these lessons the hard way. Number 1. Overpacking like there's no tomorrow. I remember my first trip to Europe. I packed like I was never coming back. Dragging that massive suitcase up 5 flights of stairs in a Paris apartment with no elevator? Yeah, not my proudest moment. Pack light, my friends. You can always buy what you need. Second mistake. Not checking visa requirements until the last minute. Picture this. You're at the airport, all excited for your dream vacation, and then boom, you're denied boarding because you didn't know you needed a visa. I've seen it happen, and it's heartbreaking. Third, exchanging money at the airport. Those exchange rates? Highway robbery. I once lost about $100 just because I waited until I got to the airport. Pro tip, use local ATMs or get currency before your trip. Fourth, trying to see everything in one trip. I get it, you want to hit all the spots. But racing through 6 European countries in 7 days? Been there, done that, and all I remember is being exhausted. Slow down, explore deeper, and actually enjoy your destination. And finally, the biggest rookie mistake, not having a backup plan for your important documents. Lost passport, phone stolen? It happens more often than you'd think. Always keep digital copies of everything and have emergency contacts ready. Want more travel wisdom and safety tips like these? Hit that subscribe button. I've got tons more stories and advice to share from my adventures and misadventures around the world. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on learning from my mistakes. They're pretty entertaining if I do say so myself. Remember, travel is about the journey, not just the destination. And sometimes the best stories come from those little mishaps along the way. Stay safe out there.